Hi everyone, my name is Shamika Lewis, and today I'll be doing a PowerPoint presentation. It's my life to literature topic, which is death and why many fear it. Do you sometimes wonder when or how you will die? This is a question that is asked upon many people. Many people question themselves about if they're going to die or not, how it will happen, when it will happen. And I feel like that's one of the ways people fear is how it's going to happen. So we'll go to my next slide. Overview why this topic was chosen. So why this topic was chosen is because death is a very, very popular subject that is spoken upon many people, specifically younger people. My goal of mine today is why many fear death and how it can be overcome. Nothing by Death by Pablo Neruda is one of the poems that I've chosen that I've wrote in my essay and also will be presented here today in my PowerPoint presentation. In this poem, he talks about how death is inevitable and it occur at any moment. So his poem is a little bit more dreadful and mourning when it comes to death. It's a little bit more sad and depressing and shows a sense of despair, and just sadness. So he's more in fear of death and shows us and portrays in his poem how death is looked upon humans. How Did You Die by Edmund Vance Cook was a little bit different tone. He sees death as more as we shouldn't focus on death, but focus on the moment in our life and success. So he's more towards is see death as a natural thing and just go on with your life. Do not let that burden you or make you think or be depressed. Just go on with your successful journey that you're supposed to do as a human anyways. So the major findings, I also included the MLA format. If you guys want to go check that reading out, I feel like that was pretty awesome to read. Of the why do people fear aging? I feel like that's very spoken upon too. It's very popular. People fear aging because as you get older, you fear death more, but it is seen more towards younger people because we think that when we die, we're wondering all the time, constantly wondering like, oh, if we die right now, will I be able to finish college before I die? Will I be able to have kids and get married and have my own house before I die? These are all questions that younger people constantly ask themselves because they are in fear of it. So I feel like this is a subject that is very spoken upon towards younger people. Older people do fear death less because they have gone through so many lifespan. So another major finding is that one of the fear aging is also because of failing to achieve expected life events, including from group members, one of diminished beauty, struggling to meet social expectations. So as you get older, these are all factors and things that we usually think about. But like I said before, fear of death is more towards younger people. Why are you scared of dying alone and being left behind? We are scared of being alone and being left behind because when we die, we're going to be alone anyways. So this is something that people fear is loneliness. When you're in a casket, you're alone. You're underground alone. So people will feel loneliness. Wow, I'm going to die without my mom. I'm not going to be with my dad. We're not going to be in the same casket. The whole family tree will not be in the same casket. So this is something that people fear a lot as well. Fear of the unknown. It's the fear of the unknown because we don't know when we will die, where we will go, and how do we feel when we die? Is it painful? How we're going to die? Are we going to be shot? Are we going to be hit by a car? Is it because of cancer? These are all things that we think about, and it causes a lot of people to go into a deep depression and anxiety of death. That's why when people leave now, they're always praying. They're always like, God, please watch over me, because people are certainly in fear of death because it can happen at any moment. You could be standing outside, walking, going somewhere, and someone could just be shooting bullets and you die. You can get in a car accident. It's a lot of things that can happen. So this is the fear of the unknown. People do not know when and how it will happen and how it will feel. Loss of value. You will be forgotten. Certainly, you won't be forgotten. Once you die, people will remember you, but your time here is lessened. You will be forgotten. You cannot do anything. You're dead. So you will be forgotten. Ways to overcome it is acknowledging it, accepting the reality of death. Hey, it happens. I'm accepting it. Woohoo, whatever happens. Seeking help can also help if it's starting to become a burden and you starting to feel like this anxiety is getting to me and I'm tired of feeling death or thinking about it. Then you can obviously seek help, go to therapy, but also remember to live in the moment, guys, and life is very precious. So remember to live in the moment, accept it as humans that we are going to die one day. But this current moment, we need to be focused more on our goals and how we can be better individuals to the community that we live in life in general, so that when we will die, we will be remembered for something that we did on earth, or remember for our great values and characteristics that we have given upon many people in our community as a whole. So I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation. I tried to make it short as possible. I hope you guys got to look at the slides. I tried to make it normal as possible. Didn't want to make it all dreadful and sad because death is the topic, but I tried to make it in a way where you guys could understand and I didn't run up my mouth too much. So I hope you guys enjoyed my PowerPoint presentation. And I hope you have a wonderful day, night or evening, or whenever you're watching this. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Now time to get off of this.